What's going on, everyone? So I don't think I did a video after New Year's or Christmas, but hopefully everyone had a good, happy, safe Christmas and New Year's. It's getting a little bit colder over here. We got lucky here. We had some 40 and 50 degree weather, but back to being cold, so that's why I have my hat on. In this video, we're just doing a simple Type R exhaust install on a newer Type R. It's not the brand newest, so please don't correct me. I didn't say it was the newest generation. We're doing a simple exhaust install. We'll have a couple tips here and there, nothing earth-shattering, nothing that's gonna, shock you and be like, oh, I didn't know that. Maybe. But the other thing I wanted to mention really quick, two things. One, we are open on the weekends, but our door is closed for a couple reasons. When we used to advertise and broadcast that we were here on the weekends, we're getting a lot of people showing up just talking our ear offs, which is fine. Don't get me wrong, but weekends, we're here just to work. Heads down, finish, catch up on work that we have. So if you are looking for a weekend appointment, hit us up. But let it be known too that we do have some kind of system in place where you have to put a down payment down first. This just ensures that if you can't make it, and we've heard every excuse in the book, overslept, didn't think it was Saturday, whatever it is, this deposit down payment just ensures that you give us a 48-hour window why you can't make it. We don't really necessarily need to know that reason. We just don't want people sitting around waiting and then getting blown off. The other thing I will mention, because we do get this asked a lot, we have no problems installing used parts. And this vehicle itself, which you're going to see, he bought a used exhaust system. I'll talk about that a little briefly in the video. So, or if you want to bring your own parts, we have no problem with that. The biggest thing I tell people is please ensure that you have all the correct parts, just because we don't want your car stranded on the lift or having to put something back together unfinished and then moving it out of place. So besides that, I think that's it. On to the video. Please like and share. It helps us. It helps the channel keep growing and I can keep doing this. And some videos will be a lot more informative. Some videos are going to be like this. So I'll be back. One other quick thing I did want to mention, and I mentioned that this is a used exhaust system. All these parts we can get. We don't have a lot of stuff on our website. It takes some time to do that. And I don't have a lot of time as it is. So if you are looking for a specific part, we can get it for you. The other big benefit of that is, and I get a lot of emails as well, where guys are looking for performance and they're buying parts that are not going to perform or they're just for looks. So that's the big benefit too, going through someone like us that has many years of experience of knowing what works, what doesn't work, what's more so just kind of for show in the engine bay. So, it's not always about trying to find the best deal. Specifically if what you're buying is not gonna return the end result you're looking for. So that's it. Thank you. And one more last thing. I swear this is the last little thing. If you are trying to get a weekend appointment, please give us an advance notice. At least 48 hours, but usually it's a lot more time that is needed because our weekends do book up super quick. Not only with work here, but we do have, everybody has family here. So keep that in mind. Thank you. So just get some coverage underneath the car while the stock exhaust is on. This is nothing, this ain't gonna be rocket science. There's really nothing to, I guess no tips or secrets. We're in the Midwest, so we're just hoping that even though it is a newer car, that the bolts still want to cooperate. There are some stuff with the tips on the newer exhaust I'll show you, but we're gonna try to get a time-lapse video just taking this thing off and getting the new one on and all that fun stuff. So I'll be back. So you can see we have the exhaust laid out, and as I was saying, it was used. Looks like the guy just included the original box too. It has the sucker still in there, so we'll give that back to the customer. The one thing I did want to show you guys more so is whoever packed this, they packed it with, I don't know why this is on here, but we're gonna have to remove any of the stuff if it doesn't want to come off. It's coming off pretty easily though, but I was gonna say if we had to wire wheel it off, we can't have that on there because it's just gonna melt. That's the one thing too with used parts. Hopefully all the parts are in here. You know, sometimes you will save a little bit, but there's extra little labor that could be involved in it that would raise the price. You know, case in point, if this was actually stuck on there, it seems like it wants to come off though. It seems like we shouldn't have that big of a deal. You know, we might have to spend a few minutes wire wheeling it off, but you know, we have no issue installing used parts. We understand customers are trying to save money, and we try to save customers money as well. So, you know, if we can save a customer a couple $100, he finds a good used exhaust, you know, why not? I know some shops are just fully against installing used parts, but you know, the biggest thing is making sure you get the right parts. That's our thing, so a car doesn't get stuck on the lift. That's a wrap, guys. I mean, it was that simple. I wasn't claiming that this was going to be earth-shattering video. Just trying to keep the content coming. I do have a couple ideas that you'll see in the next couple of videos, or more so what I'm trying to do and accomplish. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know what else to say on that one. I don't think I have too much more to talk about or discuss. So we'll wrap it up. Keep it at that. If you guys need work done, let us know. You can comment down below too. If you're just looking for a quick response, I'll try to help as much as I possibly can. Even if you're, you know, we do get this comment every now and then too. Our email is rcautoworks@gmail.com. In our info section on YouTube, down below, you can find our phone number, email address. I think our business address is on there too, and all other means of contacting us. We're on Facebook at RC AutoWorks, Instagram at RC AutoWorks too. RC AutoWorks, not a 2 at the end. So there's many ways to reach us. I appreciate everybody watching. As always, thank you. I love the comments too, whether it just be something simple as, you know, keep up the good work. Stuff motivates me to keep pushing these videos out and giving you guys content, which, you know, I like the feedback. So thank you.